The insurance company called you within days of your car accident, not to help you, to protect themselves. If you were hospitalized after a car accident, this video covers exactly what they're hoping you don't know. Most people assume the claims process is straightforward. You report the accident, they review it, you get what you're owed. That's not how it works. Insurance adjusters have one job: close your claim for as little as possible. They're trained for it. They do it every day. You're doing it once, while recovering from a serious injury. Here are the 5 mistakes that cost accident victims the most. Mistake 1. Giving a recorded statement. The adjuster calls and asks if they can record the conversation. It sounds routine. Most people say yes. Here's the problem. A recorded statement locks you into your version of events. Before you fully understand your injuries, before you've seen all your medical records, before you know what you're actually entitled to. Anything you say can be used to minimize your claim. "I'm feeling a little better" becomes evidence you've recovered. "It wasn't that serious" becomes their argument for a lower settlement. You are not required to give a recorded statement to the other driver's insurance company. Remember that. Mistake 2. Accepting the first offer. The first offer is not a fair assessment of your case. It's a starting position designed to close your file quickly. Insurance companies know that seriously injured people are stressed, overwhelmed, and often facing financial pressure. A fast check, even an inadequate one, is tempting. But once you sign a settlement, that's it. You can't go back. Future medical costs, lost wages, ongoing pain, all of it is closed. Never accept an offer before your treatment is complete and you understand the full picture of your injuries. Mistake 3. Signing medical release forms without reading them. The adjuster will ask you to sign a medical authorization form. Standard procedure, they'll say. Some of these forms give the insurance company access to your entire medical history, not just records related to the accident. They're looking for pre-existing conditions, prior injuries, anything they can use to argue your current injuries aren't fully related to the crash. Read every form before you sign. If you're not sure what you're signing, don't sign it yet. Mistake 4. Assuming the adjuster is on your side. Adjusters are professional, polite, and helpful sounding. That's part of the job. But they work for the insurance company. Their performance is measured by how efficiently they close claims. A friendly tone is not the same as fair treatment. This isn't about bad people. It's about understanding whose interests are being represented in that conversation and making sure yours are too. Mistake 5. Waiting for the insurer to explain your rights. They won't. Most accident victims find out what they were entitled to after the settlement is already signed. Lost wages, future medical costs, pain and suffering. These are all claimable, but only if you know to ask. The information exists. It's just rarely handed to you. That's what the free guide is for. 10 emails. Each one covers a different area: treatment, insurance tactics, documentation, deadlines, compensation. Written in plain English. No legal background required. If you were hospitalized after a car accident, this is the information you need before making any decisions. Link is below. First email arrives in minutes. MyCrashBenefit. Accident guidance.